Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and today we're just gonna do some unboxing. So I'm gonna be unboxing this box. GME sent me this handheld radio, so I'll show you what it is. So I'll be displaying this at the show and shine at the 4x4 show in Olympic Park. Wow. Check it out guys. Thank you GME. So this is a 5-watt handheld UHF CB radio car kit. So this is the TX6160X0CK or OCK. It's a 5-watt handheld radio. So the highest is in Australia is 5 watts. So I got the orange, it's called Orange Blazed. Let's go and see what's inside. So it's got this nice packaging, and then it features the 5-watt switchable transmission power, so you can go from 1 watt to 5 watt. And it's got that rugged design, IP67 ingress protection. It's up to 30 hours of battery life, and it's got a built-in LED torch. It's got improved scan speed, and then you've got the rotary power volume control for easy operation. There you go guys. Let's open it up. I got this one because it's got this really nice rugged case, hey. Looks so good. Check it out. This is tough. Man, you drop this, you won't even break it at all. It's got the GME logo right there. The handle's pretty good. Man, this is tough. So I got the portable handheld radio because I want to be able to put it inside the car when I go off-roading on the weekend or when I go camping, and also I can take it out. So I'm just gonna open it. There we go. So when you open it, you've got this welcome to GME. It says congratulations, and then you can register your product right there. It's got this soft foam to protect your handheld radio. So inside the radio, inside the carry case, you get the power adapter, you get your car charger, so what I like about this you should get this antenna. This antenna is magnetic. So instead of having a big whip in your car, really long one, you have to install it, you just get this one, put it on top of your car, because the best place to get reception is usually on top of your car, which is the highest point. And this connects to the handheld radio. So this would go in here. So you take this off, you take that off, and you connect it to here. So once you connect it, you can just place this in there, and then it also comes with the microphone, which plugs in there on the back, on the side here. So when you're in the car, you can just use this, and you can also carry this and put it here if you wanted to, if you're carrying a handheld radio. So that's why I got this portable, because you can take it out of your car whenever you want. So this is a nice addition. And just the feeling of it, it's pretty tough and rugged as well. I didn't show you this one here. This one's nice and compact, check it out. Yeah, you can change the clip, you can change it to this one which is magnetic, or you can get the one that clips on. Really good. You can't lose this because it's so orange. I'll just show you the clip. There's the clip right there. GME Australia. So this is an Australian brand. They're really good, got really good reputation. And I just love these accessories. It's another one, if you need to charge it up, you got the dock there. Nice and fit, snug fit there. Then if you want to get the dock for the car, it's got it here, and it's got the cigarette charger. There you go. And the car charger. That's really, it's in there pretty tight actually. So that's very good when you're off-roading. It won't fall off on you. Especially when you hit the big ruts. So you can't even take it off because it's that strong. So, and the other one is, there you go, you can put this in your car. It comes with a 3M to stick it on. And I'll just show you how tight it is when it goes on, or how strong it is. And that's pretty strong right there. And that can go in your car. You can have it hanging in your car like that. And have the radio. And you can just hook this somewhere and grab it while you're driving. And then when you need to do some winching, you can take it out and have it outside your car and use it as a handheld. So I think that's all the accessories for this pack. And thank you for GME for sending me this radio. So I'll be showcasing this at the Show and Shine at 4x4 show in Olympic Park. So just comment below on what you think of this handheld radio and this pack. Would you get this type of pack or would you just get a single radio? So comment below on what you think you would get. So I'm also going to be doing a review on this on when I start using it and see how good it is. So these are pretty good value for money, and with the quality, it's such a good buy. And it's also got 3-year warranty in it. And that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.